righting the ship. Notice what he says. We deserve to know the truth. Despite what you may have heard, Onpassive was never shut down by any outside force. No agency closed our doors. Instead, we made a conscious internal decision to pause operations so that we could confront a series of serious challenges head-on. Some of those challenges were technical, others were tied to personnel whose actions simply did not align with our values. There were even some people who committed criminal acts against us who will face the consequences of their actions. As ugly as it got, we prevailed. When a course direction is needed, real leadership means taking the wheel, not pointing fingers. So we chose to pause, right the ship, and reset the sails, not out of weakness, but out of wisdom. If you are reading this now, it means you're still with us, and that says a lot. It means you value truth. You believe in perseverance, and like us, you're here for the long haul. The winds are shifting, our direction is clear, and together we will sail forward toward the future we were always meant to reach. Stay tuned for more ONews, and more updates are on the horizon. In partnership, John White and Bill Must's observations. ONews 3 has just proven to us that what Mr. Mufareh said a few weeks ago, that he will keep us informed by use of our back office. And he has done that with these 3 updates. Nothing has appeared on the public channels until after his founders and affiliates knew. Mr. Mufareh is a man of his word. One question that we won't hear is, when will Mr. Mufareh give us updates? Now let's get into what we think he meant and why now. He honored us founders and affiliates by saying we deserve to know the truth of what is happening. And frankly, we are appalled at what we are learning. With all the misinformation about an agency shut Onpassive down has proven to be false. Out of foresight and brilliance, our CEO paused to meet the challenges posed by corrupt in-house, devastating friendly fire, which we think is an oxymoron. There were technical issues, but mostly personnel problems. Those who caused those issues forgot that they were not owners of Mr. Mufareh's company. And some were so stupid and greedy that they committed criminal acts. They are going to be brought to justice. That indeed was ugly, but truth and honor won the battle. Mr. Mufareh saw the ocean bandits who were trying to take over his ship while he was on the ship. They tried hostile takeover to commit high-sea crimes, but Mr. Mufareh was able, with unknown help, seized control of his ship and had the bandits jettisoned off his ship and took control of his vessel. There may be some reading this update with mixed emotions, seeing that they have really messed up big time. Some may not make it to the finish line because they tried to commandeer the ship but was repulsed. There are tears in their eyes that won't be sweet. Those tears will be bitter. Founders and affiliates who have remained loyal, the tears will be sweet tears of joy. Until the next update, we are finished. John White and Bill Must, the new direction.